Ever wondered how to turn your favorite animal noises into a funky Friday Night Funkin' inspired beat? First, head over to Chrome Music Lab and open up Songmaker. We're gonna keep things simple, so let's stick with the default settings for now. You can always experiment later. Now, let's crank up the tempo. Find the BPM setting at the bottom and drag that slider to around 140. This will give us that energetic FNF vibe. Time to lay down our bass melody. Think of simple, repeating patterns. Use different colors to represent different notes, creating a catchy, rhythmic hook. Don't be afraid to experiment. Here's the fun part. Click on the sounds drop-down and choose an animal sound effect, like a bark or a meow. These will replace the synth sounds. Now, layer those animal noises strategically on top of your melody. Try alternating between different animal sounds for a more dynamic effect. Let's add some drums. Use the circles for your kick drum and the triangles for your snare. A simple boomchick pattern will do the trick. And there you have it, a Friday Night Funk-inspired animal track made entirely in Chrome Music Lab. Hit play and enjoy your creation. Remember to share your creations with the hashtag #FNFmusic, hashtag Chrome Music Lab Animals, and have fun exploring the wild side of music.